Namaskar. A good day to you all. I am K.L. Prasad. I am Principal Advisor in the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. I feel it's a privilege to talk to faculty members on the subject which I am currently engaged in and I am very passionate about. So, the topic for this session is the state of Indian agriculture and policy challenges ahead. There are two parts to this session. One is actually the state of Indian agriculture, how it is and what ails it and what are we doing about it. The second one is more important. I will focus more on the second aspect, that is the policy challenges ahead.